What's up, Facebook? It's your boy Wade here with another video. You already seen the surprise. Yes, I'm working on a supercharged Magnum. You guys might know this car, you might not, but it had some little issues. Alright, this is one thing you had. This bullshit. It's plastic. It's what they had going right here. Yeah, that part, yeah. Completely fucking off. Idiots. I know. Bullshit they had holding it together. More bullshit. This shit was completely separated. This was, you see how it's all tore up. It was, yeah, no room. Then what we got down here, I have to pull this back out, but you see right here, yeah, how is that shit supposed to cool itself properly? The fucking lines is all bent up. Then there's another one back up over there. Yeah, that part. I gotta fix all that shit too on this car. But once she's back running again, it's gonna be damn near 800 horses again. She's gonna be right again, because I'm working on it. Your boy is good at what he does. He gonna be happy as fuck. He gonna be busting ass out there in Mexico. Little simple things I need to fix, like this right here. Some more bullshit. No rubber boot. Another vacuum leak. Wondering why the supercharger ain't running right. Yeah, some idiot put a new water pump on here, if you can see. And when the dumbass put everything back together, it wasn't right at all. Period. The shit ran like shit. No boost. So we about to get this running right. I hope you guys like my video. I'm gonna start getting sending you more content on my page as soon as this is up and running again. My bad about I was looking at something, had the phone right there. But once I'm done, I'm gonna have it running. I'm gonna show y'all what it does. Okay? Peace. I love y'all.